Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with very interesting and cool idea for Father's Day. So I am coming with this super gorgeous greeting card which is having total 8 shadow boxes, and each box contains some properties related to dad or father, and this is very interesting to create such kind of cards. So just have fun together and let's get started. Here I am taking 8 by 8 cm 250 GSM light pink color cardstock, and from all 4 sides I have creased at 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2 centimeters. From all the sides I have done same creasing work. Now first of all I am folding all the creasing marks and burnishing it nicely with bone folder for the crisp folds. Here I am showing you how to make mini shadow box. So the creasing is done. Then can you see here horizontal and vertical lines? So from the 4th vertical line from both the sides, I am marking at 0.5 cm at first horizontal line, similarly at second horizontal line. And now we have to join the markings diagonally in the corner, then straight line, again diagonal with the bottom, again straight line, and then horizontal line. Similarly repeating on this side. And doing the same process on other side. So it should look like this. Then I am cutting all the pencil markings. And after cutting it should look like this. Then fold all the flaps and tuck it inside each other by adding little bit of glue. And in few minutes you will get the super cute mini shadow box ready. Now to create the frame, here I am taking polka dot 4x4 cm cardstock, and I am making 0.5 cm frame. So just marking from all the sides, making a square frame and just cutting it using my X-Acto knife. And the frame is ready, super duper easy. Now just adding little glue on back side of the frame and sticking it on top of the shadow box for nice and finished look. So the first shadow box is completely ready. With the similar method I have prepared total 8 shadow boxes, 2 in yellow, 2 in blue, 2 in green and 2 in pinks. So I have done with the same process, all in pastel shades. And other than these boxes we need one more simple white shadow box with the same measurements, which will come upside down, on which we are going to write the sentiment. So in total we need 9 shadow boxes to complete our card for today. Now here I am taking 12 by 12 cm 200 GSM white cardstock, and I am covering this with all my shadow boxes. So just preparing the base. With the same way, I am going to connect the remaining shadow boxes, and this is nicely stuck. Then taking the white shadow box, adding glue on the frame part and sticking it upside down exactly in the center, and this is fitting perfectly. That means our measurements are perfect, and this is done. So cute. Then to make card base here, I am taking 28 by 14 centimeter 300 GSM white cardstock, just folding it from center. Then on top of this, I am adding 13 by 13 centimeter silver holographic cardstock. And then on top of this, I am adding my shadow boxes base. So this is done. Very easy. Now I am decorating from all four sides using 5 mm holographic cardstock strip for the finished look from outer side as well, and it will look like this from all other sides. So I have already stuck the strips and the base is ready. Now I'm starting with creating my first prop, that is the mustache. For this I am taking half strip of black color in 3 mm and making one long teardrop shape like this. Then twisting the pointed part using pointed tweezer and curving it. So one side of mustache is done. Similarly, I have prepared other side already. Now taking one black color paper and sticking these both the parts on top of black paper, so that if any gap is there, it should be covered with black. Then I am cutting the excess paper after drying. And the super cute mustache is ready. Now proceeding for the second prop, that is glasses. For this I am just wrapping one strip of maroon color around my tool and making a ring shape. Like this, just wiping out any glue mark using wet brush, then adding B7000 glue on top of this and sticking it on the OHP sheet, which will give nice glass effect. Allow it to dry, and after drying I'm just cutting the excess OHP or acetate sheet around this. Then I'm just covering the outer ring using gold marker just to give golden glass look. Similarly, I have prepared one more ring and some small pieces of strips to create the handle and the center part of the glasses, and this is done. Then starting with making tie. For this I am taking one strip of medium blue color in 3 mm. First we have to create long teardrop shape like this, and then in the bottom I am converting it into diamond shape. Then to make top part of the tie, I am taking here half strip of dark blue color in 3 mm and making one small square shape. Then I am just chopping the tie a little bit because it is looking very pointed and I wanted to make it little flat. So I just chopped it, then taking one blue color cardstock and sticking both the pieces on top of this to give nice tie look. and then just cutting the excess cardstock around the shape. And the tie is ready. Then I am starting with making the bow. For this I am taking one strip of dark green color and making a heart shape. Similarly, making one more heart shape using one strip. Joining both the shapes together, and in the center I am wrapping using light green color strip. Like this, then adding some small dots using white marker on the bow. And the super cute green color bow is ready. Then starting with next prop, that is hat. For this I am taking two strips of light green color in 3mm and making one semicircle, the long semicircle shape. Sticking it on green color cardstock. Then decorating this using some black color small circles. You can also use black paint dots. Then to make bottom part of the hat, here I am taking dark green color strip and just making a small bunch of strip by joining it on top of each other. Then just curving it little bit and sticking it in the bottom. After drying, I will just cut the excess paper and the hat is ready. Then starting with making the stick. For this I am just taking one grey color strip, dividing in two parts. Add little bit of glue in one part and stick both the parts together. Then again folding it from center, dividing in two parts. And I will repeat this process till we get one nice thick strip. Then curving it from the bottom to give nice stick look like this. Then to create the top part from which we can hold the stick, here I am taking 1/8 strip of dark blue color in 3mm, making a tight coil. Similarly taking one more 1/8 strip of dark blue color, making one more tight coil, joining both the tight coils together and sticking it with stick. And the super cute stick is ready. Then making the watch. For this I am taking 3 strips of yellow color, 2 in medium yellow and 1 in darker yellow, and creating one big tight coil. Then I am just doing some marking of the numbers and creating the hands as well. And the clock is ready. Then starting with my last prop, that is the coffee mug. For this I am taking 2 strips of red color, making a semicircle again. Sticking it on red color paper. And also I prepared the ear for the mug using small red color strip in a semicircle shape. So after cutting the excess red paper, I will stick it. Now taking back my card, and one by one I am decorating my card using all the props which I have created, and I am super duper excited to add the beautiful props inside each shadow box. This is the fun part of the video. And then at the end I am adding sentiment in the center, best dad ever, using my black marker. So here I am doing fox calligraphy. And the super gorgeous greeting card with the unique twist is completely ready. You can write the special message inside the card. I'm just loving the outcome so much, and I'm sure you are going to try it very soon before the Father's Day. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.